Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Getting diplomatic immunity in the U.S. isn't something you just get as a private citizen. It's a very specific status granted under international law, primarily to foreign government officials and their immediate families. This protection is complex and often misunderstood, but it's crucial for the smooth functioning of international relations. The main legal framework for this is the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations from 1961. So, who actually receives this special status? It applies to accredited diplomats, like ambassadors, ministers, and other embassy staff from foreign countries recognized by the United States. It also extends to heads of state or government and certain high-ranking officials when they are on official visits. Their immediate family members, living in the same household, are also typically covered. You don't apply for diplomatic immunity yourself. Instead, your home country, if you are a foreign official, requests your accreditation to the U.S. government. The U.S. Department of State's Office of Protocol then processes these requests. If approved, you are formally recognized as a diplomat. You receive a special identification card that confirms your diplomatic status. This card is what law enforcement would check to verify your immunity. Diplomatic immunity means you are generally immune from the criminal, civil, and administrative jurisdiction of the United States. This means you cannot be arrested, detained, or prosecuted by U.S. authorities for crimes. You also cannot be sued in U.S. civil courts. Furthermore, diplomats are usually exempt from certain taxes and customs duties. However, this is not a license to break the law without consequence. While the U.S. cannot prosecute you, your home country can and often will. Also, your sending state can choose to waive your immunity, allowing U.S. prosecution. If a diplomat commits a serious offense, the U.S. government can declare them persona non grata, meaning they are no longer welcome and must leave the country. They would be expelled, not prosecuted by the U.S. This status is about facilitating diplomatic functions without fear of harassment or interference from the host country. It is not for tourists, business travelers, or regular immigrants. You cannot simply apply for it or purchase it. It is entirely tied to official diplomatic or consular roles. Understanding this distinction is key to grasping how diplomatic immunity works in practice. It's a privilege tied to your official position, not a personal right you can acquire. Thank you for watching and learning about this fascinating aspect of international law. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into complex topics.